rated our catering spirit. Catering spirit. Ouch! Where the trotro drivers are. But I think, okay, yeah, I think this is where she wants you to. Then, so come on.
Yeah, me too. I don't know why I was scared. Hey, Abby. That's your last thing. You couldn't control here when you were trying to accelerate. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I was saying that because your place, I don't know where to turn, like park. Come out. Alright. Oh, please don't take my spot. I should come and meet sister, we walk together. Should I come and meet sister, we walk together into the car? Me self, I've not dressed. I've not dressed one. Yes. The school now, the gate, the school gate now. What's the color of the car? Ash.
The taxi man, there's a taxi man here.
It's on the opposite there.
Opposite the UMB bank.
Do you know the UMB bank? The UMB bank.
Finally, just walk, you meet her.
Because if I'm not dressed well, yes.
But you're dressed well. Are you sure everything is off? The brake is on. Up.
Yes. I tell you.
I'm the chief driver now.
Give me the car. Oh God. Hurry up, my car. I'm not dressing. What color is it? I don't know the color of it. What color is it then?
I'm going quick.
Say hi. It's not that far. You need exercise. See, you don't exercise. Can't it's open. You made me come out of the car.
You stressed her. Don't mind her. She's stressed.
Hello.
She just wanted to stress.
I missed you. Are you scared?
Of you driving?
Yes. if I were to be you, I'll be super scared. When I drove this girl first, she said no. My brother was like, right there. She's like, no. You won't die, don't worry. I won't have any accident. Let me pray gospel so that God will be with me.
I'm camera shy.
Your style is so fly. I can't deny.
I mean, you are not dead, okay?
I consider this you tricking me.
Did you die? So I went to do my nails for my birthday gift, as a birthday gift to myself. So I went to my best friend's hostel, so we went together and I went to get my nails done. It's my actual nails, I just painted it. So I chose red because I already had red nail polish that I painted myself, and I didn't know what color to choose, so she was like, oh, you want to do the same thing? And I was like, sure, let me just be safe. At the down one I chose pink because why not? So hey guys, this is editing behind the scenes Elle. Now as I was editing, I realized that I didn't end the vlog well. So I'm here to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you and I appreciate all of you. Love you, bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.